Canada did not make us feel that we were refugees. Canada made us feel that we were Canadians the moment that we landed at that airport. And we were not called refugees anymore. We were called the new Canadians ever since. My name is Tareq Hadhad. I am the CEO of Peace by Chocolate, and I am originally from Syria. My father's company became the second largest chocolate manufacturing facility in the region, in one of the suburbs of Damascus. In 2012, everything turned into a war. Unfortunately, there's nothing kind about war and having to just leave your home country overnight. And that's really what we had to do. I have faced many amazing experiences of community members who were supporting us to start the business again. But I never really imagined that people would be so generous. Chocolate represented our second chances and our rebirth. It was just a way to spend time, to get to know the community. But then it became a real enterprise later on that year. Our story was the front page of many newspapers here in Antigonish, and then the Prime Minister would talk about us at the United Nations at a summit. He was telling them how the leadership in this community brought our family here, but also how we were able to give back and start the business for ourselves and for the community. We were not meant to solve our issues with weapons. We were meant to solve our issues with other means of communication. Our means of communication is chocolate. We are advocating for that cause from here in Canada to open minds and hearts, to tell people that peace is very noble and let's give it a chance to succeed.